It is formed by large-scale mechanical stamping and has strong tensile ability after different surface treatments, such as galvanizing or phosphating. It works with any brand of composite wire lashing. The cable tie can pass through the metal buckle smoothly, and the cable binding process is fast and convenient. After using the packing buckle, the packing rope is more convenient to recycle, which is conducive to energy saving and environmental protection. If you want to know more information, please contact us in time.